Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today we have Vienna's pet treater bag. Do you want to know what's in her bag? Stay tuned. Oh, okay, you guys. So Vienna is now going to open up her pet treater bag for the month of November. You want to see what's in your bag and what you're going to be playing on? You want to see your toys? Do you want to see your toys? Okay, so it comes in this bag. Last month was her very first one, and I am so far super impressed with this company, and I couldn't be more happy, and neither can she. Oh, and a little bit of an update because I know a few of you asked because they are different toys than what she was normally getting, and the other ones were super durable. These, the ones that she got last time anyway, she's played with them this entire time and nothing has came apart, nothing has fallen apart, broken apart, opened, came out, nothing like that. So they were very good toys so far as well. I know somebody had asked what the status is of the toys and how she was doing with them, so there's that. So let's go ahead and open up this month and see what she's going to have. I love the bag though. The bag is just the cutest little bag. You want to pull something out? You want to pull? Oh, you can't really pull something out. So the first thing that we are going to pull out here is, oh, the papers. Okay, so they have this really cool thing. If you send a picture of your dog to their email, they could be featured on a little pamphlet like this that they send out. This one says, "Congratulations, Hoogie Bear." That is so cute. So that's the one that they chose for this month. And yeah, you can go ahead and send that if you would like, and might be featured on their little card. So let's get into the toys. Oh, is this broccoli? And there's 3 big old pom-poms on top. There's no squeakers there. Let's see if there's, oh, there's one inside. Okay, now she's like, now I gotta kill it. There is one inside the stem of the broccoli, but the heads of the broccoli do not have it. Okay, thank you. So there's a broccoli. Then we have, she's still playing with that broccoli. I need to start saving money because I really did find a new table that it elevates, like motorized. So when I do videos like this, I can raise her up eye level so you can be seeing everything that she's doing. So I need to start saving money for that table. Eventually. But until then, she's just, she's gnawing on it. Let me pull something else out and I'll take her attention back over here for a second. Oh, she's already trying to figure out what's going on. Yep, see? Sit on your booty. Okay, so the next one, whoo, that's a big one. That's a big old duck. How cute. It says critters. So it does have a little bone right here. I normally don't give her the bone, these bone like things right here, the knot bones, because she would, when she was little, pull this apart and eat it. So now that she's an adult, hopefully she won't do that anymore. We'll see. But there's the duck. And does it squeak? Yes, it does. It says it has double stitching, strong canvas fabric. Oh, yeah, that. Oh, yeah. I'm going to need I'll probably cut this off because I don't want this around my house nor her eating it. Probably won't be fun coming back out the other end. So I will cut this tail off. Sorry, but that's just because I don't want it all around my house. And then she can play with that one. Wait, hold on. Don't play with this one just yet. I know you're going to eat that hair. You're already trying. See? See? What are you doing? You're already trying to eat it. Hold on. I got to cut the tail off. There's still something in here, though. Then there's a carrot. So again, same thing. Hopefully she doesn't start eating these, but here's a carrot that is super cute. And then we have another little scarf. Oh, see, this would have been cute. She had her bag here before November. I just didn't have time to sit down with her to film this one. But if we did, she could have wore this on Thanksgiving. So me opening up this now, it's after Thanksgiving, but she should have had this for Thanksgiving. So now I know whenever there's a holiday, I'm gonna have to open her box sooner, because then there could be something for her to wear on that holiday. But that is super, super cute. That would have been super cute for her to wear on Thanksgiving, but that's my bad. I know, I'm sorry. I'm bad. And I think that is everything in here. Yes. So for this bag, she got a cute holiday scarf. There's this broccoli that she absolutely loves. There's a carrot. And then there is this, we got a duck. So that is everything that came in the November box. If you want to see her playing with them, here you go. Okay, you guys. So that was her playing with her new toys, always living her best life when she's got some toys. Like this girl, that's all she wants to do is play. If you want a little bit more information about Pet Treater and you want to see what the pricing is, they do have dog and cat subscriptions, which I really love that about this box, because the other one that she was getting was only for dogs. So this one, if you have cats, you can get this one too, which is super cool. So for the dog pack is $15, and it's filled with 3 to 4 hand-selected items featuring a variety of super fun toys, mostly USA and Canada made treats, never China, and extra goodies. That's only $15 a month. Then there's the deluxe dog pack, which is $25 a month. That one is filled with 5 to 8 hand-selected items featuring a variety of super fun toys, mostly USA and Canada treats, never China. Then there is the treat only. This is where I absolutely love this company. You can do treat only or the toys only. So the treats only is $18 a month, no toys, just 3 to 4 treats. Or you can get the toy one like I get for her. It's $18 a month, and you get 3 to 4 selected really fun toys, no treats. And the cat pack, if you want to do a cat pack, they only have 2 options for that one. You can do the $15 one. That one you'll get, each pack is filled with 3 to 4 hand-selected items featuring a variety of super fun toys, treats, and extra goodies. Or you can get the multi-cat pack, which is $25. You'll get 5 to 8 items in that one. And again, never any treats from China, just from USA or Canada. So that is everything about the Pet Treater. And again, for $18 a month and free shipping, she's getting those toys that she can play with every single month. I love this box. So I do have them linked down below. You can definitely go follow them, take a look at their dog or their cat options if you would like. And yeah, so comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the November box? What do you think of the toys that she received this time? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Bye. Crafty crew out.